Welcome back, everyone. I forgot to make a video, and that's real bad because now I have to get that tractor real quick ready for the summer because we don't get any snow anymore. I used that snow plow thing one time, about 2 hours. That was it. So I gotta get rid of the chains, all that stuff. But I get that mowing deck I have to get ready. And keep in mind, I am not a professional, handyman. I just wing it, right? And now I have to get that mower deck back on, but I guess I have to clean it out because I didn't clean it. So let's go outside and wash it off. First I have to figure a way out to get it outside. Gotta make some room here so we get through. But here's my motorcycle jack. If I am able to lift it on somehow, I can get this going. But I got no room. I gotta move the tractor first. I don't want to start it. Maybe I can push it. Yeah. Oh, it's out of gear. I mean, it has wheels, but it's not. That seems to work. Well, there's a use for the jack. Let's stand it up here. On the one side, I'm supposed to, take care of that. On the other side, I'm supposed to keep all my fingers and body parts. Know what we do?
Every sunrise is just for you. So come along and take my hand.
I don't know why. The neighbor told me to do that. I have no clue. Okay. So first I start taking the weights off. Oh my gosh. you really gotta watch it. You gotta subscribe, guys, because somehow I need to make money to hire a gardener, because this is getting ridiculous. So that's it for Tuesday's videos. Usually I don't get any views on it, only a handful. But it's Tuesday, you know. But we need gardener, a housekeeper, but we will get there. Just with your help, just like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.